What's going on, everybody? This is a standard CRF50 seat that people use for conversion kits and other type of DIY e-bike builds, but today I'm going to be showing you how to fit a seat post just like this one onto this seat so you can have it on your e-bike conversion kit or mountain bike. Before we jump into this video, if you're wondering how my seat looks this nice with this grippy seat cover, I recently did a video how to install a seat cover like this on a CRF50 seat. I'll link it up here now if you'd like to go watch it, but let's get into the video. Obviously, before we get into the video, I just wanted to show you everything I used. I have my CRF50 seat with the mount ready to go and the seat cover. I got my mountain bike seat post right here with the two mounting brackets there, and the two bolts for those brackets right there. And then to actually mount the seat on the seat post for your frame, you're gonna need these bolts. I'll go through all the bolts here. So we've got two M6 by 100 millimeter, I think. So M6 by 100 millimeter, and then M6 washers, M6 nuts. Okay, so it's all M6. Just make sure those are 100 millimeter, because if they're not long enough, then it just won't reach through these two holes and through there. So yeah, just make sure so M6, all that's M6. So guys, the first real step of this video is to make two holes so our M6 bolt can go all the way through. So obviously you can see when I put through the hole, it doesn't go all the way through. So what you want to do is put your bolt through, make a little marking with a pen marker. I just did it with some pliers, and then I'm going to drill there. Obviously, to make the hole, you want to use a drill or to cut. I'm just using a drill because it's the easiest way. So once I do that, I'll be back to show you the rest of the steps. Alright guys, so some drilling later, and as you can see, I've got two nice holes there that go through the other side. And now when I put my bolt through this hole and then through that hole, it won't maybe not fully go all the way for me, but all I have to do is just twist it a bit and it'll start coming through the other end. So that's it's time to load up our stuff. So firstly, on the bolts, you want to grab your two M6 bolts, and then you want to grab two M6 washers. All right, so I'm gonna put one washer over this bolt and then one over that bolt. So alrighty guys, now flip your seat over and just put one bolt through just like that and one bolt through just like that. So both holes have a bolt. And then what you want to do is grab your other two M6 washers, put one on this side just like that, and then one on the other side just like that. So now both sides have washers, and if I just leave it like that, as you can see, washer, 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 bolt, bolt. Okay guys, now the two M6 bolts. Well, we actually have six, but right here we're just going to be using two. So you want to, as you can see in the last bit, now we just want to put the bolt up just like that, and try and do this with one hand, but screw on a M6 bolt just like so, and then all the way to the end. Alrighty guys, I'm back, and we've basically finished half the project already of the DIY CRF50 seat. I've put my four M6 bolts just like that, so two on each side, screwed one and two kind of both to the end just like that. They might not all be tightened, but you can tighten them at the end, and then just leave these kind of here, but they will go up like that when I put the seat post on, but just leave them there because they're out of the way for now. Then you want to grab your first piece of your seat post. For me, I've got this bit. You obviously don't want the bit with the lines, because that's where the seat post actually sits. So you want to grab the bit that's just kind of like the chunky bit, and it's going to be hard, but you need to force this under the bolts and like have it in the center there. There's a lot of ways to do it. You can force it in like that, but I'm just going to do that, and I'll show you when I get back. So guys, as you can see right here, I've forced my first piece of my seat post under the bolts, and yes, I said force because I actually did really force it in there. Some of them are easier to get in, some of them are not. Mine was a little bit of a struggle. Alright everybody, so we've ran into a little bit of trouble here with the two bolt formation just like this one. It actually is very, very hard or almost impossible to put both bolts through to secure the seat post. So the ones with the two holes just like this, if you do have this seat post, I'm very sorry that it's going to be very hard to do it. otherwise you just can't do it at all. But I've got myself here just a single bolt format seat post that just requires one bolt like this, because yeah, it's way easier and just goes in straight away. These ones really hard, really confusing. So yeah, get yourself one of those or try your best to do it with a 2-bolt. Thank you everybody for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial of installing the seat post on my CRF50 seat. Hope it works all for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and if you wouldn't mind, subscribe and hit that like button for me. Thank you guys. Peace.